Hi. Welcome to my channel kanwal Media 205. In this video I am going to show you how to design a logo on Ms. Word. First we will going to select the shape or icon for logo, go to an insert option, then go to shapes. Here, you can see there are different shapes. You can choose any of them as you like. I am choosing triangular shape. Now draw this, and adjust this. It's your choice to fill color in the shape or not. I prefer colorful shape. I am adjusting the shape. Now I am choosing color, which make it look more appealing. I will prefer bright colors, but sometimes I am choosing dark color. Here I am selecting dark blue color. For adjusting logo design I brighten the shape color, then adjust the shape outline or edges, which make it more attractive. Now, I am selecting the writing style to write the title on logo. When you click on word art, you can see, there are simple word art. Here, I am going to show you how it look. I am writing the title. Here you can see, it looks not much appealing. If you want to make your title more appealing, go to Files, go to Save As, then select the file type, select Word 97 2003 document, then click on Save, then Continue. Now, go to Word Art. Here you can see, there are different style of word art appear. You can select any of them which is most suitable for your logo. Now, adjust it in your logo. Here you can also choose different designs. Select any of them. Adjust it. Now, you can also add another icon or shape, if you want. I am selecting round shape arrow. Adjust this shape. You can also adjust it by choosing wrap the picture. You can adjust it and fill the color and shape. Now, I am changing the shape color, also choosing color shade, and adjust the shape outline or edges. Now, this is done. Now, I am going to save this logo. Go to Files, then Save As, then choose Document. Then click on Save. Now, I am going to convert this file into an image file, in JPG or PNG file format. To convert this file into an image file, open the browser. Here on the tab you will write www.convertio.co, then enter. This website is free and suitable to convert your file into an image file or any other file type, to convert your file into an image. Now, first you will upload your file here. Now, choosing the file format, here, you see there are JPG, JPEG, PNG, file format for an image. I am selecting JPG file format, then click on Convert, wait for a few seconds. Now, this is done. Download it on your computer. After downloading, open this file in your computer. Now, you can insert this image logo, where you want. I am going to show you how to insert this logo on Gmail account. Click on your Gmail account, then here, in the profile picture, you can place your logo here also. Now, I am inserting my logo. Now, adjust this logo. I am adjusting the size of this logo. Now this is done. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel for more learning videos. Subscribe to my channel Kawa Media 205 and press the bell icon.